In today's video, I'm going to show you how to run a budget versus actuals report in QuickBooks Online. This report is a great way to see how your business is performing against the budget you set, highlighting where you're on track and where things might need attention. Start on the main QuickBooks Online dashboard. From the left-hand navigation panel, select Reports. This will take you to the Reports area where everything is organized. At the top of the page, switch to the Standard Reports tab so you're viewing the built-in report library. This is where QuickBooks keeps all the default reports you can run without creating anything from scratch. Next, use the search bar to find the report. Type Budget versus Actuals, and when it appears in the results, click on it to open it. QuickBooks will take a moment to load the report, especially if you have a large amount of data or a long date range. Once it loads, you'll see your budgeted amounts compared to your actual results, with the differences clearly shown so you can quickly spot any variances. Now, let's make the report more useful by customizing it. At the top toolbar, start by adjusting the report period to match your budget time frame. For example, if your budget is set for the current fiscal year, select that same period to ensure the numbers align properly. If you want to focus on a specific month or quarter, choose that date range so you can zoom in on the details that matter most right now. Next, choose which columns to display. You can include columns for actual amounts, budgeted amounts, and the difference between them. You may also choose to show the variance as a percentage for a clearer comparison. If you're sharing this report with a team, consider simplifying the columns so the most important information stands out and the report is easy to read. As you make changes, the report will automatically refresh. Take a moment to review the totals and key accounts to make sure everything looks correct. If the report appears empty or incomplete, it's often because the selected date range doesn't match your budget setup or some accounts don't have budget values assigned. And that's it. You've successfully run and customized a budget versus actuals reports in QuickBooks Online. By using this report regularly, you can stay on top of your financial performance, quickly identify variances, and make better decisions to keep your business on track. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.